three parts: crest, mantle, and core. So suppose this is the upper part of crest. So at the bottom of the crest, there are present plates made up of rocks at the bottom of the crest, known as tectonic plates. But below the tectonic plate is there is another part of earth known as mantle. And yes, inner to the mantle is outer core. And inner to the outer core is yes, inner core. These are different parts of earth. As you know, dears, in the outer core and in the deep mantle, there is present magma. Magma means hot molten rocks. Rocks there are in melted form. Hot molten rocks are known as magma, dears. So this magma is present in the deep mantle and in the outer core. This magma produces hot gases also. So both hot gases as well as magma exert this pressure, tries to move upwards, dears. When it reaches below the tectonic plates of the crust, which are located at the bottom of the crust. So as we know, between two tectonic plates, suppose this is one tectonic plate, this one is another. Between them there is present a gap. Through this gap, these magma and hot gases rises up and remains stored under the crust. The place where this magma remains stored under the crust, that is known as magma chamber. Yes, so more and more pressure exerts, comes from the bottom, comes from the deep mantle, comes from the outer core. So finally, this magma finds space to come out from the crust, and it makes the place where will be crack in the crust. So at that place, my dear, this magma will come out. So the I will make a hole. Through that hole, this magma, along with smoke, ashes will come out. Yes, that is known as volcano. That is known as volcano. So yes, when this volcano erupts, it releases smoke, ash and magma. When this magma reaches on the surface of the earth, that is known as lava. That is known as lava. So when it, my dears, reaches on the surface of earth, this lava flows, spreads everywhere. There it causes destruction. It destroys, it burns everything. If this magma will erupt in a, my dears, forest, it will burn forest. If volcano will erupt in a city or in a town, it will destroy, it will burn their houses and shops. It produces large amount of smoke also. That smoke remains in the atmosphere. And the smoke and these, my dear, ash not allow sunlight to fall or reach on the land. That causes, my dears, global cooling. Yes, my dears, there is both global warming as well as global cooling. Global warming means rapid increase in temperature by greenhouse gases. When greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide traps more and more sun rays in our atmosphere and increases the temperature of atmosphere, that is known as global warming. But when temperature will decrease, how? When something will not allow these sun rays to reach on the land. So finally temperature will decrease, that is known as global cooling. So this volcanic eruption have, my dears, this both advantages as well as disadvantages. Disadvantages of this volcanic eruption are: when a volcano erupts, the magma or the lava that spreads in the surrounding area, reached far from the places. and it burns everything, crops, trees, houses, everything it burns. People suffer from respiratory or lung diseases, my dears. How? It is because when the smoke means this smoke contains carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide. When this smoke will remain in the atmosphere mixed with the air, so human beings will inhale this. So human beings will not only inhale this oxygen of air, but this smoke will also reach in our lungs and we will suffer from respiratory or lung diseases. Second thing is, my dears, advantages. Advantages of volcanic eruption are the place where volcano erupts. Soil of that area become mineral rich because this magma carry minerals with it from deep mantle and from the outer core. It carry minerals also. And those minerals are needed for the growth of our plants. Not only we need minerals, suppose we need calcium to make our bones strong. If there will remain deficiency of calcium, we will suffer from a disease, osteoporosis. Same is the case with plants also. If plants need 15 types of minerals, if there will remain deficiency of any mineral, so they will also suffer from diseases. So by volcanic eruption, the fertility or mineral content of the soil increases. Second years, this site becomes attractive site for tourists. Many tourists come from many places to see the beautiful scene of this volcano. Okay. Yes, this volcano word is derived from the name of a Roman god. The name of Roman god of fire is, my dears, Vulcan. Volcano is derived from a Roman word, Vulcan, and Vulcan is Roman god of fire. Romans have many gods like Hindus. There are 1500 active volcanoes on earth. Active volcanoes. And 1500 inactive volcanoes on earth. Total are there 3000 volcanoes on earth. And the dangerous, biggest volcano is Mauna Leo. 80% volcanoes are located in the Pacific Ring of Fire. So volcanic eruption have both advantages as well as disadvantages. But in our book, this volcanic eruption is as a disaster. So it is a disaster because the place where volcano erupts, there it causes huge damage.